Namaste everyone. Mahati Wellness welcomes you back to this Yoga Sutra journey. In the previous Sutra 2.7, Maharishi Patanjali explained third klesha, raga, attachment, that follows pleasure. Where the mind clings to what feels good, it also instinctively resists what feels unpleasant. This resistance is the second movement born of ego identification, Dvesha, the fourth klesha. Maharishi Patanjali explains Dvesha in today's Sutra 2.8. The sutra is Dukha Anushayi Dvesha. The meaning is Dvesh is aversion, the tendency that follows the experience of pain. Let us understand word by word meaning of the sutra. The first word is Dukkha, meaning pain, suffering, unpleasant experience. The second word is Anushayi, that which follows, lingers as an impression. The last word is Dvesha, aversion, resistance or rejection. Let us understand it further. Dvesh is not pain itself, it is what remains after pain has passed. When an unpleasant experience occurs, the mind records it as this hurts me, I don't want this again. That emotional recoil, the tightening, the resistance, the rejection is Dvesh. Over time, Dvesh conditions our responses, avoidance, defensiveness, resentment, fear disguised as rejection. We just don't avoid pain. We begin avoiding situations, people, emotions, or possibilities associated with it. Pain becomes memory, memory becomes aversion, aversion becomes limitation. Rag and Dvesh are two sides of the same imbalance. Rag pulls us towards pleasure, Dvesh pushes us away from the pain. Both arise from the same misunderstanding that our well-being depends on external conditions. Dvesha narrows perception. It reacts before understanding. It protects, but at the cost of openness. Yoga does not ask us to like pain. It asks us to meet experience without contraction. Freedom lies not in controlling life, but in meeting it with inner steadiness. Let us understand it by a practical reflection. Observe gently this week, what situations do I avoid instinctively? Which memories still carry emotional charge? Where does resistance arise before awareness? Try this practice. When discomfort appears, pause and notice the impulse to withdraw. Instead of reacting, ask, can I stay present for one breath longer? This small pause weakens Dvesha. Presence dissolves resistance. So, the essence of this Sutra 2.8 is, it teaches us pain does not bind us. Aversion to pain does. Dvesha is the mind's attempt to protect itself. But protection becomes prison when it limits growth. Yoga restores balance by teaching us to experience without grasping and without pushing away. In the next Sutra 2.9, Maharishi Patanjali presents the most primal klesha of all, Abhinivesh, the fear that underlies even wisdom. So, let's meet in our next episode. Thank you for walking this path with awareness. Namaste.